guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chloe Brown and I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. Now, happy quarantine. To be honest, I haven't been super productive. I've been in my mind a lot, as we all are. And no ideas or creativity is flowing through my brain. It's probably because what's happening? This video, I got a couple requests for. It was like, hey, heatless waves. It didn't end up working out the way that I wanted it to. I tried and I ended up having to use heat on my hair. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get right into it. What I'm doing right here is just separating my hair down the middle. I'm gonna be doing 2 French braids and then securing them off with a tiny black elastic. Now, I already did one side of my hair, so here I'm gonna show you guys in fast motion how you French braid your hair. Now, if you don't know how to French braid your hair, you can look on YouTube videos. I don't technically have one for French braiding my whole hair. It is kind of hard making sure that all of the hair is secure in this French braid because I have such short hair, and it's pretty hard to keep it tight because of that reason as well. But I'm doing my best trying to keep it really tight. And like I said, it's just a regular French braid, no Dutch or anything like that. And then securing it off with a black elastic, and then I'm gonna go to sleep and then wake up in the morning. Whew. All right, so I'm gonna take out my hair, see how this turned out. I was thinking last night I probably should have done 3 braids just to add like more curls, like 1 in the middle and then like 2 on the sides, but I didn't think about it until after it was done. So loose waves, this is what I, voice, come back to me. This is what I expected. Just like loose waves. Don't necessarily know if they're like the cutest thing in the world. Really fluffy. All right, well, we'll use this as a base and then we'll go off of it. Wow. I think I'm gonna use my crimper and my curling iron because I feel like these are already kind of crimpy. So we'll do that. I'm at a loss for words. I'm gonna part my hair halfway. Usually I do it like way down here, but since things are happening, I'm just gonna let them happen. Now, I didn't put anything in my hair yesterday before I did this, and maybe that's why it's a little frizzy. I probably should have put like Palm Mucho Super Skinny Serum, or maybe something that would have held my curls, like maybe dry texture spray or something like that. I didn't do that. So maybe next time, or if you are at home, try that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put like a crimp down here. I know it's like in the middle of my head, but I have that separation from my hair being put in 2. Maybe this piece right here. I'm not gonna be too precise with these because I still want it to look more natural. I don't want it to look like I am definitely crimping things. I just want them to be uneven and more loose, I guess you would say. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, for this section, I'm gonna be putting texture spray in it, and then I'm gonna be putting like shine spray because I need my hair to tame. Okay, I use the Oasis Plus. This is the Schwarzkopf Professional texture spray. Works great, very high hold. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but today I feel like I want it to be more gritty because I need some body put in there. Okay, shine spray. This is the Kevin Murphy Shimmery Blonde. Now, I think you can only get this in salons, and salons are shut down right now. So if you can find it online, I don't know if I would necessarily trust that source because it is a salon only product. I think it is. Yeah, I think you can only get Kevin Murphy in salons. I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna do this front section again because I don't really, well, maybe not, just this one. You can see where my little ponytail holder is. So we'll take that kink out. There we go. I think now that we're getting down here, or up here, I'm gonna just use my curling iron and do that technique where it's like really soft and wavy. Don't hold it too long. I just want something in there. And I think I'm gonna do just like a wraparound wand thing for right there, just to add a little more definition on that. All right, for this section of hair, see, I don't know what's wrong with this. I feel like the bottom layers were way more wavy, but whatever. Just that tight, small curl there. And then maybe just the top. The bottom looks pretty okay for that. Do this other section, just the top. Oh, that bottom needs help. Maybe just like that. So I put a big gap in there. I didn't bring that up to the top. I just kind of did the middle section, and then I'm gonna do the same here. Kind of wrap it around. Okay, now I'm gonna add texture spray. And then we're gonna go back in with that shine. Last section. So these front pieces I am going to curl, and when I curl I bring them like right by my eye and then let it release. So pull down, curl right by my eye, let it release. Let's see, oh, this one looks fairly crimped. You know what I might do here? I'm gonna do this, where like you lift it up and then you pull it down and then you lift it up and then you pull it around. Just to define that more, see? That looks better. I'm gonna curl this one, just like that. Curl this one forward, and then I'll crimp the remaining. Okay. Spray. Okay, do I feel like my hair is a little frizzy? Yes, I do. I do indeed. It looks fine. It's just loose, wavy. Not my favorite, but it'll do. I would say next time I try out this hairstyle, I will probably do the 3 braids and do them really, really tight. And I would probably do them when my hair is more damp so that the waves and stuff stay a little better. And I will put Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum in there so it kind of tames. You know what I think I'm gonna do for this hairstyle, honestly, is I think I'm gonna do this. This has been my go-to quarantine hairstyle. But I think I'm gonna do it for today. So I parted my hair back down the middle. I'm going to take the top section of my hair, let it loosely hang, pull these front pieces down, take a small elastic, put it in my hair just like this, and then put a half ponytail in there, and then tug and pull. Just like that. Take a couple bobby pins, pin the top so it covers that elastic on top, pin the bottom so it makes it look fuller, pull it out, pieces will fall out, that's totally fine. There we go. I think that's how I'm gonna wear my hair today. You can also pull these little face framing curls down. I think that's how I'm gonna do this today. I don't know. I'm not super happy with this, but I tried it. I got some requests to do this. I probably should have thought this more through before I did it, but hey, you live and you learn. Not every single hairstyle is going to be perfect. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.